Hey everyone, my name is Masa and I work for Lightly. In this very short tutorial, I just want to show you how you can edit and correct annotations inside LightlyStudio. So for example, I have an image here which I identified that has a bit wrong, like a bounding box size. I can just click on this image and I can click here on the top right, edit annotations, which puts me in the annotation editing mode. Now I can just easily, change the size of this bounding box like that. So I just drag and I can even, move the entire rectangle around, let's say a bit lower like that. And the annotation updates successfully. Once I'm happy, I can just click here on the finish editing. And voila, I was able to quickly change and correct the annotation. Yeah. That's all, and see you in the next one. Bye!